viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect over Coinbase Wallet with Rocket Pool. Yes, you can also invest your cryptocurrency in pool area. So I'm not giving you any financial advice, depend on you. I just give you information how can you connect your Coinbase Wallet with Rocket Pool applications. So please watch this video to learn. This video is going to be very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. You can see here viewers, we have already made many videos about Coinbase wallets, and almost 30 plus videos. This all videos very informative if you are going to use the Coinbase wallet. Before going to use the Coinbase wallet, you must watch all videos from my YouTube channel, and also share these videos in your Facebook pages and WhatsApp group, because some people not about know how can they use the Coinbase wallet. So this video is very helpful for them. Okay, so now I'm going to open first of all Coinbase wallet, and after that we will connect our wallet with the Rocket Pool. Going to enter my password here. My wallet is unlocked, and you can see here I have not any balance, and by default wallet is selected 2 number. Let's suppose I'm going to select the wallet number 1, and also you can see here there is option available: Ethereum, Solana, and blockchain. This is all addresses. Let's suppose I have selected Ethereum, and you can also select the network if you are going to connect your wallet with any DAO applications. Okay, so now we are going to open CoinGecko. Yes, CoinGecko is open in front of me, and this time Bitcoin price is $35,319, and Ethereum price is $1,881, and many token and coins boom in these altcoins region. So we are going to check the rank of Rocket Pool Ethereum. You can see here Rocket Pool Ethereum is shown here, and this time token price is $2,000 plus. I'm going to click on it, and now you can see here, if I'm going to check the all-time high of this token, click on maximum, and all-time price is almost $5,000, almost $5,000. We can correctly check from this option. $4,814 all-time high, and 57% down from the all-time high, and almost 2 years ago. 2 years ago all-time low is $88 means $887. And if you are going to use this token or coin, so you can use these exchanges like Balancer, Version 2, Uniswap, all exchanges, DAO applications. You can check directly. And if you are going to check the information about Rocket Pool, simple is that this is the official website, rocketpool.net. Simple click on it. Now the new website is going to open in front of me. Yes, you can see here Rocket Pool, decentralized Ethereum staking protocols. This is the decentralized Ethereum protocols. You can stake your Ethereum and get the extra rewards. It has stake total, the amount shown here, and nodes operators total shown here, and also stake plus run node and stake Ethereum. You can use two options here. First, stake plus run nodes, and also stake only your Ethereum. And you can see here the decentralized network for the node operators earn reward for our Ethereum holders. Non-custodials is a big and good option available here, not custodial. And there's get started if you are going to get reward and also run the nodes. And if you just simple stake your Ethereum, so you can use second option. So also you can see here security and also liquidity staking, smart nodes, many information available here about Rocket Pool decentralized application. And you can also join on Discord, Mediums, Twitter, GitHub and forums. So we are going to connect our wallet, so we will use staking option. You can see here first option is staking option based on 7 days average 3.17 APR. Okay, simple click on it, stake. After that, stake.rocketpool.net will be open in front of you. This is official link. You just simple open the CoinJacko, and after that click on Rocket Pool's link, and then you can open this official link. Okay, you can see here they shown the Ethereum, and I'm going to click on accept, and all information available here. If you are going to stake your Ethereum on this, let's suppose you have a Ethereum in your wallet, you want to stake on this wallet, simple click on that wallet option shown right top corner. And now I read the accept terms and services and privacy policy you must read before going to connect your wallet. Okay, this video is only for education purpose, so that I'm going to just simple click on yes, and there is option is available here, Coinbase wallet. When I click on it, so pop-ups open front of me. So I'm going to waiting for this when the sign up option will be shown front of me. Let's maybe take some time. Yes, now the options available here, MetaMask and Coinbase. We have used this time Coinbase wallet, so that I'm going to click on this portion, Coinbase wallet. Now again check the all information, and then my wallet will be connected. You can see here the connect option available here. Before going to connect your wallet, read the all information from this page. Okay, so simple click on connect. Now viewers, you can see here we have successfully connected our wallet with this website, and you can see here your wallet address is shown here, your right top corner. If I'm going to click on here, so you can see here my wallet address is shown here. Also, if you have a balance, so balance will be shown here. If you have R ether, so your balance all will be shown here. Okay, I'm going to click on cross. If you have balance, so you just simple stake your coin on this rocketpool.net website. I hope you properly understand how can you connect. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. Face deposit, withdrawal, find private key. So you can comments below this video. I will read your comments, and I hope I will resolve your problem. Okay guys, so we'll meet with you in a new video. Bye bye.